Hey guys, the Hoselink video production team is currently in lockdown in Sydney, so it means we can't film any more Get Out and Garden videos. So in the meantime, we thought we'd give our amazing YouTube community a chance to win some great Hoselink products for both our Australian customers
and for our US based customers as well. So we have made it super easy for you to enter. All you have to do, like this video, subscribe to the Hoselink YouTube channel, and
comment below with the next gardening topic you'd like us to cover. Could be something you're struggling with at home, or even something you'd like to try in the future.
so once you have commented on there, you are entered into the drawing to win $500, anything you choose from Hoselink. We'll have one lucky US winner,
And for one lucky Australian winner too. All the information you need is in the description below, so enter now.